Welcome back. Yellow Gate Police will conduct a Panchanama nearly 14 nautical miles off the Goa coast and recover the fishing boat Sea Masiha, which sunk after a Coast Guard patrolling boat had collided with it, killing 6 fishermen on April 25th. As per the news agency's report, probe till date reveals that though the fishing boat static into the sea, red indicator was on instead of white, which misguided the moving Coast Guard ship ICGS Vaibhav.
Probe in the Coast Guard vessel trawler accident case is still on. Yellow Gate Police, the investigating agency probing the case, is yet to establish circumstantial evidence of the collision. The mishap had occurred 14 nautical miles off Betul in the wee hours of 25th April, killing 6 fishermen on board. A crew of 29 fishermen were on board trawler Sea Masiha. The mishap led to postponement of commissioning of involved Coast Guard ship ICGS Vaibhav. The investigating team of Yellow Gate Police recently visited Goa. Officer from Yellow Gate Police says, Panchanama is required to note the exact location of the accident. We had taken an engineer along to examine ICGS Vaibhav. We found that it had scratch marks made by a wooden boat. It is essential to recover the sunken boat and its broken portion to prove that the accident had taken place after comparing the scratch marks on ICGS Vaibhav. The Coast Guard vessel was travelling at a speed of 22 nautical miles per hour when the mishap occurred. The fishermen were sleeping in the front portion of the boat. The boat suffered fractures as the Coast Guard vessel was travelling at a speed of 22 nautical miles per hour. 6 men fell into the sea. Statements from the eyewitnesses on board have revealed that the fishing boat Sea Masiha was on static mode at a distance of 14 nautical miles off Goa coast on April 25th. It was around 4 a.m. when the crew fell asleep, leaving the engines and the navigation light, which is red when the boat is headed left and green if moving to the right. It was red instead of white, indicating static mode. Explosion woke them up. They saw that the front part of the boat was broken and the boat was drowning. At a distance of 50 meters, they saw a warship-like vessel drifting away. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Municipal poll results is nothing but a game of numbers. This is the reaction of Junior Rane on Sakri municipality poll results. Vishwajit Rane says that 15% of Sakrikars are still with them. Moreover, he is of the opinion that BJP wave is losing impact. Rane says that their contribution towards the development of Sakri will continue.
म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शनान जायते लोक आयले. म्हाका खुशी आसा की आमचे 4 एक आयले आसा. इंडिपेंडंट बी तांणी म्हाका फोन करून सांगलेले की आपलो तुमकां तेको आसा. पूण खरें म्हणजे 2 आमचे सीट, एक 9 मतांनी आनी एक 12 मतांनी, एक आनंद नायक आनी एक बाबा देसाय, एक बारीकशे मार्जिनान गेले. पूण एकूच दिसून येता की जी लाट जे असेंब्ली इलेक्शन आसली बीजेपीच्या फावरार आनी आयज ती लाट एकदम कमी जाल्ली आसा. रिजल्ट जो जाला अल्टिमेटली इट इज अ गेम ऑफ नंबर्स. आमकां 4 गावले, एक इंडिपेंडंट निवडून आयला आनी बीजेपीक 6 गावले. आनी कितेंय आसूं, म्हाका खुशी आसा की लोक आमच्या वांगडा रावल्लो आसा. 50% तरी लोक साखळीचो आमच्या वांगडा रावले. 2 आमचे सीट ल्हान मतांनी गेले आनी आमी साखळीच्या जनते खातीर काम करत रावतले. आनी आमचो सदां प्रयत्न आसतलो की साखळीचो विकास जावचो. जो कितें आयज पर्यंत विकास जाला हो श्रेय ह्या सरकाराक वचूंक ना काय ह्या आमदाराक वचना, हे फक्त प्रताप सिंग राणेक वयता.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.